The case against Jesse Matthew Jr. finally comes to a close today.
Matthew pleaded guilty to first-degree murder in the high-profile cases of Hannah Graham and Morgan Harrington, and he will serve the maximum for those offenses, 4 consecutive life terms. WSLS 10's Anana Rachida explains what evidence would have been presented had these cases gone to trial.
It's a beginning to an end for 2 families.
Hannah's enduring gift to us all is that she enabled this wicked man to be apprehended and convicted. She did change the world, but at a terrible price.
In front of investigators, friends, and family, the Grahams and Harringtons talked about their girls taken too soon.
It takes a village to raise a child. I know it takes one to bury a child.
Jesse Matthew Jr. pleaded guilty to first-degree murder and abduction with the intent to defile in the cases of Hannah Graham and Morgan Harrington. According to court documents, what connects Morgan to Matthew is DNA found on the T-shirt she wore the night she went missing. Not only did investigators find a strand of hair matching Morgan's DNA and blood from another case in Fairfax, but a dog's DNA matching Matthew's dog named Popcorn he had in 2009. Morgan's mother says she's thankful for everyone who helped in the case.
For 6.5 years, you all were determined and resolute to find the top-tier predator that hunted in this community. That process has been successfully completed today.
Court documents also reveal what happened to Hannah the night she disappeared. A witness saw Matthew follow Hannah along the downtown mall, and they went to a bar and restaurant called Tempo together around 1:10 a.m. Later that night, a witness saw Hannah walking, trying to get ahead of Matthew, but he continued to follow her. That witness heard Hannah say, quote, "I'm not getting in that car with you. What is it, stolen?" But that witness didn't see if Hannah actually got into the car. However, DNA found on the interior passenger side door frame matches Hannah. Hannah's father talked about the plea agreement and what he misses about his daughter.
We draw considerable pride in all that Hannah achieved in her short life, mercilessly cut short by Jesse Matthew. His evil deprived the world of a great talent.
The Commonwealth's attorney said this agreement wasn't possible without the countless hours people dedicated to finding justice.
While no outcome will ever produce closure, this agreement promotes resolution. This is not a time for celebration, but it is a time for recognition.
Matthew's family also made a statement for the Grahams and Harringtons, hoping for forgiveness.
There is nothing that we can do to erase what Jesse have done. But we pray that you will find in your hearts to someday forgive our loved one.
The Harringtons and Grahams say the resolution doesn't bring their daughters back, but they now can focus on healing.